Hello children, good morning children. Hope you are safe and staying healthy at home. Children, today we are going to start lesson number 6, digestion and role of microbes, reading part. As we have finished the explanation part, we are going to start reading part. Open your textbooks, page number 220. Let us start from here. Okay children, are you ready? So Paki is 7 years old. She was eating her favorite fruit, guava. Suddenly her front teeth fell. She was worried that her friends will laugh at her. She requested her mother not to send her to school. Her mother explained that she need not worry. It was her milk tooth that had fallen off, and now it will soon be replaced with a permanent tooth. Let us learn about two different sets of teeth, types of teeth, and the structure of tooth. Sets of teeth. Have you ever tried to count teeth in your mouth? Children of your age have about 20 teeth. How many teeth for children? 20 teeth. And how many teeth do your parents have? Adults have about 32 teeth. That mama have 32 teeth. You must have seen toddlers, babies, who do not have teeth in their mouth at all. Teeth, unlike brain and heart, are not present in the body of the baby the day he or she is born. Actually, a child is born toothless. Usually, after 6 months, babies start to develop teeth. Gradually, within a year or two, babies develop their first set of teeth. This first set of 20 teeth is known as milk teeth. Gradually, as the child gets older, these milk teeth start falling off one by one and are replaced by a second set of teeth. This second set of teeth is known as permanent teeth. So after falling off milk teeth, we will get the permanent teeth. There are 32 teeth in this set. Most kids lose all their milk teeth by the age of 12 to 13 years. Okay, hence milk teeth are also called temporary teeth. 4 teeth at the back of the mouth called wisdom teeth may develop between the age of 17 and 25 years. Okay, children? So types of teeth. This is about sets of teeth. In sets of teeth, we have two types: milk teeth, permanent teeth. You know, milk teeth, 22 teeth, whereas permanent teeth, 32 teeth will be there. Milk teeth has other name called temporary teeth, and wisdom teeth. These are 4 teeth at the back of the mouth. Okay, children. These are the sets of teeth. Next, coming to the types of teeth. Are all if are all your teeth of the same type? Touch and feel the difference among your teeth. There are 4 different types of teeth, each with its own function. Each with its own function. Incisors. These are the front teeth. They are 8 in number. 4 in upper jaw and 4 in lower jaw. They have a flat surface and sharp horizontal edge. Incisors are chisel shaped. They help in cutting and biting the food. Canines. So I have shown the pictures of incisors, canines, premolars, and molars. In the textbook also see here they have given how the incisors will be. Canines. Coming to the canines, these are pointed teeth because beside the incisors. They are 4 in number, 2 in upper jaw and 2 in lower jaw. Canines are sharp teeth and help in tearing the food. With help of canines, we will tear the food. Premolars. Behind the canine teeth lie the premolars. They are 8 in number, 4 in upper jaw and 4 in lower jaw. These teeth have a flat upper surface. They help crack, crush, and chew the food. Molars. They are present behind the premolars. They are 12 in number, 6 in upper jaw and 6 in lower jaw. These teeth also have flat surface like premolars. They help in chewing and grinding of food. Out of 12, 4 molars which grow later are called wisdom teeth. Are you seeing incisors, front canine, beside the incisors, premolars, molars? These are the wisdom teeth. Okay, this is about types of teeth. Coming to structure of tooth. A tooth has two main parts. crown and root. Crown means upper part of tooth that is visible is known as crown. The crown of the tooth is covered by a hard, white, shiny material called enamel. Enamel is the hardest substance in our body. It protects the tooth from wear and tear. Root. The lower part of the tooth is covered by gums. Hence, it is not visible. It is made up of cementum that anchors the tooth to the jawbone. Below the enamel layer lies the dentine. Dentine protects the inner part of the tooth called pulp. Blood vessels and nerves run through the pulp of the teeth. The soft tissue that surrounds the base of the tooth is called gum. Gums hold the teeth in their places. Are you seeing the teeth structure of the tooth? So this is called crown. So what is enamel? So white layer present on the tooth is called enamel. And dentine. Below the enamel layer lies the dentine. Okay. Next, gums. The soft tissue surrounds the base of the tooth is called gums. Pulp. Okay, dentine protects the inner part of the tooth called pulp. Next, cementum. So it is made up of cementum that anchors the tooth to the jawbone. So this is about crown and root. Lower part of the tooth is covered by gums. So hence it is not visible. Next, how we will take care of our teeth? Our teeth helps us in biting and chewing the food. Yes, isn't it? So it is very important that we take good care of our teeth. So God's gift, natural. So we need to protect our teeth. The small particles of the food get stuck in the spaces between our teeth. If we do not brush our teeth properly, germs start growing on them and lead to the formation of a yellow sticky coating called plaque, Plaque, plaque. The yellow sticky coating called plaque. These germs then reach the nerves through the dentine and pulp. This can lead to tooth decay. Are you seeing by eating these chocolates, sugar items only, the germs will be developed. So this is dangerous. So plaque is a sticky substance made up of sugar and germs that deteriorate tooth enamel. That means it will damage the tooth enamel. We should brush our teeth every morning and before going to bed at night. How many are doing this one? So you should follow this rule so that we can keep our teeth healthy and clean. This can cause bad breath and tooth cavities here. Let us learn how we can protect our teeth from plaque and cavity formation. Brush your teeth at least twice a day. Brush the top teeth downwards and bottom teeth upwards. Brush the back teeth and the flat surface of premolars and molars. Next, change your toothbrush every 3 months. After every meal, rinse your mouth. Do not consume too many sugary snacks or drinks. Instead, eat fresh fruits, healthy vegetables, curd, and eggs. Clean your tongue using a tongue cleaner rather than side by side brush up and down. Visit the dentist at least twice a year for regular checkups. Take good care of your teeth to keep them healthy throughout your life. Yes, it is very important to take off our teeth so that we should not face any problem throughout our life. Isn't it, children? So up to here we finished. Next class we'll start reading part 2, digestive system. Okay, children, thank you.